The symmetry readings are stable across all metrics.
Confirmed. The muscle integrity assessment shows optimal results.
Vitals are stable, core temperature holding at 38.5.
Proceeding with the extraction now.
Okay, guiding the needle now. The sample looks good. Understood. I have the vial ready for transfer, doctor.
Sample collected. Secure it immediately.
Yes, doctor. Transport is ready.
You all right? Nice and steady.
Almost done, buddy.
You're being very brave.
It's okay, big guy. You're doing great. Yeah. Just a little longer, Caro.
The thermal gradient looks completely stable across the musculoskeletal system.
Yes, the core temperature is perfectly within range. He seems very comfortable.
Biopsy complete. Minimal invasion confirmed.
Sample secured in vial 42B.
Data logged and timestamped.
The integration looks nearly perfect.
Yes, the marbling is exactly what we aimed for. We can begin the testing trials tomorrow.
The density in this area has increased significantly.
I agree. The viability markers are strong. Let's maintain the current parameters.
We've stabilized the laser sensors. The sorting should proceed smoothly now.
The viability data looks excellent.
We are verifying batch X7Y9. All parameters are within acceptable limits.
Data confirmed. Approved for incubation.
The replication potential looks good, but the efficiency markers are unstable here.
Yes, the software flagged it. We need to remove that sample immediately.
Look at the highlighted patterns here. The growth indicators are strong.
Indeed. The data supports the hypothesis.
Rejected biological material disposed safely. Biohazard containers sealed immediately. Workers follow strict disposal protocols. Batch consolidated and scanned.
Sequence confirmed. Moving to cryogenic storage.
Final inspection confirms cell stability and uniform structure.
Automated sensors show no contamination. Ready for sign-off.
Readings are stable. Proportions confirmed.
Verified. We are good to proceed.
Sugars introduced to provide cellular energy source. Automated dosing systems prevent overconcentration.
Processing. Essential minerals blended into growth medium. Microscopic nutrient balance carefully maintained. Automated agitators.
The heating elements are maintaining optimal conditions.
Confirmed. Sensor readings are perfectly stable.
The levels are stable. We have approval.
Recording the data now.
The automated system has logged the complete medium composition.
And the digital records confirm full traceability. Everything is consistent.
Is the homogeneous solution stable?
Confirmed. Ready for cell cultivation.
The growth rate is exceeding projections.
Confirmed. Adjusting nutrient flow accordingly.
Nutrient-delivered lines feed growing cells continuously. Automated pumps regulate flow without interruption. Close-up shows steady liquid movement inside tanks.
Growth parameters stable across the board.
Confirmed. Backup synchronization is active.
Culture density looks optimal here.
Agreed. Logging the parameters now, everything within spec.
Scaffolds introduced gently into cultivation chambers. Robotic arms place scaffolds with precision. Cells remain suspended awaiting attachment.
Cultured cells guided onto edible scaffolds. Nutrient flow adjusted to encourage attachment. Cells begin adhering to
Cultured cells guided onto edible scaffolds. Nutrient flow adjusted to encourage attachment. Cells begin adhering to scaffold surfaces. Automated systems regulate nutrient flow through scaffolds. Even distribution supports uniform cell growth. Cells multiply while remaining attached.
Automated systems regulate nutrient flow through scaffolds. Even distribution supports uniform cell growth. School relations. Mechanical support stabilize scaffolds during growth. Vibration minimized to protect forming tissue.
The fiber alignment in this region needs adjustment.
Rerunning the optimization sequence for the texture map.
Look at that pulse.
It's working. Incredible. We did it!
Nutrient composition adjusted for structural strength. Cells respond by increasing fiber density.
The system flagged scaffold 3B. Rerouting it to the analysis tray now. mechanism. Automated systems prepare structures for maturation phase, nutrient flow stabilized carefully, cells firmly.
The maturation rate has increased by 20%. And the structural integrity is holding steady. Excellent results.
Stimulation intensity adjusted through digital controls. Tissue adapts without structural damage.
The density has improved significantly.
Yes, successful response confirmed.
Goals 85. Maturation environment maintains optimal temperature and humidity. Airflow regulated automatically. Tissue
Inspection confirms successful maturation.
The integrity holds up perfectly. We can proceed.
The density increase is significant in the after sample.
The structural integrity metrics confirm the maturation is complete. This changes everything.
Fat cells multiply steadily inside dedicated reactors, and the nutrient balance encourages rich lipid formation.
Look at the density here.
Yes, the lipid accumulation is significant. This batch shows great potential.
Fat cells harvested at peak quality stage. Automated systems extract cells gently. No damage visible during removal. Digital systems calculate precise blending ratios. Technicians confirm taste and texture targets. Scene introduces controlled combination.
The marbling patterns are appearing clearly now.
Yes, the fat integration within the muscle structure is nearly complete. It looks appealing.
The ratio adjustments are done through the digital controls, fat content adjusted precisely.
And no manual handling required.
Look at the uniformity on the screen. The fat spread is perfect.
Yes, quality check confirmed.
The contrast between the stages is striking.
The realism enhancement is clearly noted.
The uniformity looks excellent on this batch.
Confirmed. The thickness measurements are spot on. The press cycle is complete. Look at that marbling. And the measurements are exact. Uniformity achieved.
This cut here, the marbling looks slightly off.
Let me check the specs. It is within tolerance.
Structure confirmed. The texture profile matches the target aesthetic.
The sensors verify the dimensions. We can move them forward.
Dimensions confirmed.
Structure is flawless.
Excellent. Sending to the next stage.
Structural alignment is optimal.
Confirmed. Integrity check passed. Releasing to next phase. Uniformity check complete on batch 42.
Confirmed. Proceed to packaging.
The thickness sensor on line 3 is spiking again, adjusting the tolerance down slightly.
Looks stable now. Good catch.
The adjustments are holding steady across the batch. Confirmed. The fibers look consistent with the target texture.
The current batch is showing levels consistent with the standard.
Wait, look at this. The system just flagged lot 4B.
Deviation confirmed. Initiate quarantine protocol immediately.
Automated sample handling reduces human contact. Robots transfer tissues between testing modules.
The automated reading is holding steady at 25 grams.
Confirmed. The manual titration matches the target. Now this sample requires re-verification.
Deviation detected on sector gamma. Check the calibration logs.
Rerouting sequence now. Looks stable.
Confirmed. Analysis is proceeding normally.
Look at this fluctuation in the chromatography results here.
It seems within the acceptable parameters, but let's rerun the control.
Final approval granted for all tested cultured meat. Digital certificates confirm compliance with safety standards. Samples cleared for packaging and distribution.
Sample 3 has a significantly cleaner finish.
Yes, the intramuscular fat is perfectly rendered here.
See how the fibers hold together? The resistance here suggests a longer chew time.
Yes, the tenderness is excellent, but the elasticity needs adjustment for the target profile.
Perfectly tender, exactly as the last batch. The juice is rich.
Consistency confirmed.
The acidity needs a slight adjustment for perfect balance.
I agree. The seasoning absorption on the second sample is much better. (54.5°C).
The texture is superb. Optimal results achieved. The aroma is quite rich, very savory. The texture alignment is remarkable.
I agree. Recording excellent visual appeal.
The internal temperature on batch 3 is perfect.
Okay.
Agreed. Consistency across all 5 is excellent. The texture matches the expectations. It's ready.
Confirmed.
That's what I got. The aroma is quite distinct and the tenderness is remarkable.
It holds up well against the traditional beef. The fiber alignment on this cut is exceptional.
I agree. The gloss and texture indicate consumer readiness.
Yeah. Let's finalize the sensory notes.
Vacuum sealing machines activate for individual meat portions, air removed to preserve freshness efficiently. Digital sensors monitor pressure and seal integrity.
Labeling stations print batch numbers clearly. Traceability codes added for full monitoring. Digital systems track production details automatically.
The alignment is spot on for airflow.
Yes, the stability is excellent. Let's move to the next bay.
Ensure the gap is exactly 1 inch for airflow.
Confirm. Logging the data now.
Temperature holding steady at -80. All parameters green.
Confirmed. System stability is optimal.
Scan confirms the manifest for Dubai.
And the temperature logs are stable for this batch. Ready for the coolant.
We have an amber alert on container 4G. Temperature deviation detected. Stabilization protocol initiated.
Look at the comparison. Our emissions are significantly lower.
The environmental impact is clear.
All barcodes verified on this shipment. Excellent. The final safety clearance is approved. All barcodes verified on this shipment. Excellent. The final safety clearance is approved.
Checkpoint 187 is stable. Temperature holding at optimal range.
Confirmed. I am logging the report.
Unit 42, you are clear for departure on lane 3. Confirming next pickup at dock 7.
Shipment 24B, cold chain integrity confirmed.
Arriving on schedule.